This is why you need to rethink education for your teen. The future is powered by AI, and your child can lead the way. Here's how. At TUFF AI Learning Academy, we give students ages 13 to 18 a real head start, teaching them artificial intelligence, digital marketing, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship, all through fun project-based online lessons. Your teen won't just watch videos, they'll actually build AI-powered projects, launch digital businesses, and collaborate with peers. Along the way, they'll sharpen their critical thinking, digital communication, and career readiness skills they'll use in high school, college, and the workforce. Homeschool family, ESA, or school choice? Or just want your teen ahead of the curve? Our flexible online academy fits your life while preparing your child for tomorrow's digital economy. Don't wait for college to give your teen a competitive edge. Click below to book your free academic and career readiness assessment. We'll recommend the perfect learning path and share ESA and scholarship info. Spots are limited, so act now. Help your child unlock their future with TUFF AI Learning Academy.